All right, girls and boys. So you must have noticed that in math, other than your choice board, there is a word problem that I have given you. Please remember to do that word problem. Please don't ignore it. Use your notebook to solve it. The whole purpose of doing the word problem is because I want you to learn how to show your work. Today, I noticed that a lot of you had, just written the answer. It is very easy to find the answer because we are really super smart. But remember when we were in school, I had told you that boys and girls, I cannot look through your head. I cannot see what's inside. Your head is not transparent, right? I cannot see your thinking. So in order for you to tell me what you're thinking, you need to show it on paper, right? What you're thinking. How did you add? How did you solve? That should be your question in your mind when you're doing your word problem. How did I solve this problem? How will I show Ms. Shahid that this is how I did the problem? So there are a few ways we had learned when we were in school about how to show your work. Remember, girls and boys, you don't have to draw rabbits. Is this an art class? No, it is not an art class. It's math, right? So in math, you don't have to be an artist. And on the screen, you're going to see I have a rabbit there. But girls and boys, do we really need to use a rabbit? Not really. You could use a counter. So your counter will still tell Ms. Shahid that you're counting rabbits, right? You do not need to draw a cute little rabbit. So let's look at this problem. There were 3 rabbits in the park and 10 more come to the park. How many rabbits were at the park? We're in the park now, right? I'm just going to make this smaller because you can't see all the words. Okay. And then I'm going to take my rabbit off because I know I love this cute rabbit, but I don't want to draw rabbits. I want to use counters. So I had how many counters? 3 counters. So I'm going to put 3 counters. Okay. And then it says there were 3 rabbits in the park. So I showed 3 rabbits and 10 more come to the park. So I'm going to put a plus sign in between them. And then I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And then I'm going to say equals, right? I'm going to count. I'm going to use a count on strategy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are 13. Now what 13, right? What 13 do I have? Remember we learned unit labels. So we're going to add 13 rabbits. Now there's another way you can show this to me. You can write 3 plus 10 equals 13, right? Or you could use tally marks. 1, 2, 3 plus, okay, and just give me a second. I'm going to put the tally for 10. So for 10, I would need 2 sets of these, right? So I'm going to put 10. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so I have 10 equals 13. Oops, rabbits, don't forget that. Okay, and we need to add rabbits here too. So you see, there are different ways to show me your thinking, okay? And I would like you to use this format to do your word problems going forward.